Hi, this is Joseph Scalise, and this is my video for MLB.com Fan Cave. It's a slam poem about my favorite team, the Oakland A's, that accentuates my love of writing, performance, and most of all, baseball. I hope you enjoy. Somewhere in this favored land, the sun is shining bright. Somewhere the band is playing, somewhere hearts are light. Somewhere men are laughing, and somewhere children shout. But there's no joy in Mudville. Mighty Casey has struck out. See, I've been watching this pastime we call baseball for as long as I can remember, and if they'd let me, I'd watch it every January to each December. Now, I've never been to Mudville, but I've been to Oakland, California, and I've sat in those green curved chairs at least once every year of my life. Walked the broken sidewalks and cracked ramps, and I know Casey. I think every fan does in some way. In Oakland County Coliseum, he is never far away. He's underneath the cut grass and the sewer-filled halls, in the green outfield walls and the fire behind Verlander fastballs. Those are the places he hides, and if you walk those halls, you can still hear in the rafters the ghosts of fans yelling, "Slide, Jeremy, slide!" But that's how we do it in Oakland. And they'll never take away our pride. See, sometimes my heartbeat is the roar of a playoff crowd. Sometimes it's the beating of drums to the tune of "Let's go, Oakland!" And sometimes Casey swings and misses. Sometimes Moneyball falls a little short. Sometimes Terrence Long watches strike three right over the heart of the plate, or Magglio Ordonez launches a Houston Street fastball so far over the rafters in Detroit, you'd swear it wouldn't stop till it hit Canada. But honestly, that's just the way it goes sometimes. I've been green and gold since I first came out of my mother's womb, and I will not stop singing their praises, whatever city they may go to, until I end up in a tomb. If they ever get a ring, and no matter what players the small market brings, I'll be there. Working on my Bernie lean, I said I'll be there. Until the lights go out in September or October, and the parking lot empties, and all the fans funnel home, I'll be there. Through every joy, every defeat, every smile, moan and groan, when Casey, McGuire, Canseco, Thomas, Tejada, Cespedes, Reddick swings and only hits air. When they swing, connect, and bring everybody home, I'll be there. Because I've never been to Mudville, but I've been to Oakland, California. And among those green curved chairs, cracked sidewalks and $1 Wednesdays, among the drum beats and all those crazy fans, I'm never alone. Thank you.